everybody. I am getting a very, very late start on this vlog today. So maybe this one will be shorter today. And also, I want to really apologize to everybody. The last one yesterday was 29 minutes. And I didn't realize that I had shot that much yesterday. I really didn't think that I had. But anyway, I do apologize. I'm going to try to make these vlogs shorter. When I'm doing stuff outside and doing working on stuff, and I seem to ramble on, and and then when I go to edit it, I don't know what to cut out to make it all fit together. Anyway, so I do have another project today. Oh, by the way, it's been raining most of the morning, so there was really no reason to go outside because it was pouring for a portion of the time and very windy. But as I was saying, I do have another project. I ordered something last week on Amazon, and it's supposed to be here today. It says it's out for delivery, and it's something for the Isuzu Trooper. So I'm going to install that today if it comes in, and I'll probably vlog it. I will only vlog pieces of it. I'm a bit excited about this, though. I've been wanting to add this to the truck for quite a while now, and last week when I started driving the truck more again after I got it fixed, something else on the truck broke and kind of forced my hand in order to make this purchase so that I can use the truck at night. Hint, hint. But anyway, yeah, let's start with that. Look what just showed up. Okay, we have to quarantine this, open it appropriately, dispose of the packaging, wipe down the contents that are inside of it. I'm going to put the camera down for a moment while I do all that. Look at this. While I'm unpackaging this, if you guys are new to the channel and have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. We are working our way to 1,000 subscribers, and we could use your help.
Eye of Megatron.
Cool. I hope these are the right ones. Let's go install them. So, if you haven't been already able to guess, I have LED lights for the truck. The original ones that are in here are, I believe, halogen. Anyway, this one burned out the other day, the low beam. This one's still okay. So, what do I need to do in order to replace them? It's actually quite easy on this truck. Down there, it's a matter of popping this connector off. If I can remember how to do it. I'm going to have to put the phone down a minute. Hold on. So I got the bulb out. It was a little bit harder to pull on. I had to use both hands, but it's out. So I'm going to put this ring, I believe, on the back of that. We'll see how that goes. Well, they say nothing's ever easy, right? So this locking mechanism on the new LED bulb, in order to make this all work on the Trooper, this piece here, which is part of the Trooper, has to slide onto here, and then this has to go on here like this. However, the problem becomes there isn't enough room to tighten this piece back onto the bulb with this in the middle of it. So I have to figure something out. Now I did notice that there are these little nubs right there that are kind of sticking up a little bit. I don't know if that's going to give me enough clearance if I were to grind those off or not. You can see a little bit better right there. I don't know, but I need to work on this a second. If not, they're going to have to go back because then they're not going to work. Boy, the winds have really picked up out here. It's supposed to go down to freezing again tonight, or slightly below that. I guess this is the cold air coming in again. Not that it was real warm yesterday. Eesh. Okay, so I had to put this on hold for a second. I need to find out if I can still get one of these in case I damage it. But I think I am going to grind those things down to give it a shot and see if it will fit. I think that if I grind those nubs off, this will fit into that enough where this piece will slide back on and lock into place. But anyway, I called my friend Jerry to see if he has any of these around in case I do mess this up and then it doesn't work with the old bulb, and then I'm kind of screwed. So anyway, we'll have to get back to this project a little later. Surprise! Not at home anymore. Decided to take a drive up to Cadorus State Park. It is so windy. There are white caps on this lake. Sure is pretty. Okay, I'm going back to the car. It's getting kind of cold. Well, it may not have been a good idea to come out, because now we're stuck in traffic because of something. There's really nothing going on up there. Yes, we're eating out again.
Super healthy.
Super healthy cheesesteak sub, mozzarella sticks, and French fries. It's hard to believe that it's almost May and we're still running the pellet stove. What is this madness? We are out for our nightly walk and it is getting cold. What the heck happened to spring? These poor little flowers are going to get so cold tonight. Boy, am I very happy to be home in front of the fireplace now. It was flippin' cold out there, wasn't it? Alright guys, we're back again. So I talked to my friend and he thinks that he has a bunch of these available, so I'm going to go ahead and try grinding those pieces off. I am running out of time this evening to try to get this vlog up, so let's give it a whirl. I'm going to use my handy dandy trusty Dremel 8220. It's a battery powered Dremel tool, and I've got a little grinding wheel on it. See how that works out. Adjust the speed down low to start with. Alright, that's working. That's one gone. Let's get this other one out of the way. Guys probably just looking at my hand here. Kick the speed up just a hair. Alright, no more nubbies inside there. and go try it out, see if it works. Keep your fingers crossed. So I'm taking this thing off, sliding this on there. And this back on. Oh no, there's still not enough room. The only other thing that I can do now is to try to widen this hole a little bit so this will slide back a little bit further. I might give that a try. We just are not having any luck with this today, are we? It really just needs like a micrometer more space, and that just wasn't enough. Oh, that did it. It locked in place. That bulb is in there now. I got the bulb in there. It wasn't the easiest thing to do, but it's in there. But once I got that in, then the next problem became this connector. I had to fight with it like nobody's business to get those two pieces to come together. And I don't even know if it's locked in there the way it should be. The regular bulb just goes right in and then locks. This one didn't really pop or anything. It seems to be in tight now. But my goodness, I'm going to have to watch that. Alright, so I'm going to try the next side. And this one's going to be a little bit harder. There's less room to work. Great. Well, I finally got this side in. Actually, it wasn't too hard once I ground down that other plastic piece to get it into the reflector. What was a bear was getting that connector plugged in. Oh my gosh. Actually, what I wound up doing is taking a little bit of dielectric grease and putting it on the end and then pushing, and then it slid right in. I wish I would have thought of that for this side, because that would have went in a lot easier. All right, let's go for a ride. All right, I'm going to close my garage door real quick to see what these look like against the garage door, because I have no idea. They look pretty bright. All right, let's go out and take it for a spin. I don't know, guys. I think that looks pretty good. Let me hit the high beams real quick. They shoot out pretty far. I have a little bit of rake on my truck for when we were towing, and when I put new tires on this thing, I'm gonna lift up the front end a little bit so that beam will go out a little bit further. But yeah, this is definitely brighter than what I had for sure. And if the darn things work good and don't like break, I'm pretty happy with them. Yeah. All right, I got to get home so that I can get this vlog edited. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Like I said before, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. It really helps us out a lot. We're striving to get to 1,000 subscribers. And subscribing and letting other people know about our channel would be very helpful to us. And also, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the notification bell to get notified of new videos when they become available. We have a whole bunch more content coming up. Eventually, when we get out of this quarantine, we're going to be traveling all up and down the East Coast this year, this summer and fall, we hope. And as long as I can do it, I'm going to try to be putting out daily vlogs or every other day vlogs. Right now, I'm able to do daily vlogs. I will do them as long as I have something to put out there. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it. Have a great evening, and everybody please stay safe and stay away from that virus. Hey guys, before I go, do you want to see what my off-road lights look like with these? Here we go. Boom! Pretty daggone bright. Can't wait to take this off-road now.